Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and I am here at one of my windows and I wanted to share an idea with you with this curtain clip. Now when I first bought this, I knew that I was going to repurpose it, and I bought two of these back in March, I believe it was. And when I first bought them, I did make a video on how to use them and all that, but like I said, I didn't buy them for my own curtains. It's kind of not my style. So let's look at what I repurposed it into. I'm going to take you into one of my dollhouses so that you can see. So let's go over to the gigantic dollhouse. So this is the room. Do you remember that room? You might have. Some of you might be new to my channel, so maybe you didn't see this room. But there it is. I made myself a fancy table. Now look at the items that are on top. I placed a napkin underneath the round piece, and under the napkin there is cardboard, and it's all affixed to the back of this piece. That is why it holds these pieces and they don't cave in. So it's not just a napkin holding it, there's cardboard underneath the napkin. So I made myself a fancy sturdy table. Now I could have added a base to it, but what I did was I placed the chairs around it. The chairs are doing the job. They are holding the entire table because all the chairs are the same height. And I have a combination of white chairs and dark wood chairs. So I might be placing this in the dining room of the gigantic dollhouse because this is really here. This is really the living room. I just wanted to see how it would look here. It looks great here too, but I change things around and I make new creations. So I wanted to share this piece with you. This is a beautiful piece. And then the napkin happened to match it perfectly. So if you have a dollhouse and you have a large room, you have a piece like this, there are endless options that you have. I can even place a mirror behind it and place it on the wall of one of my rooms, my dollhouse rooms. So there are other things that you can do with this piece. So I hope that you enjoyed this idea and that you enjoyed all the details in this room. And thank you so much for watching.